What would you do if someone you trusted to protect a loved one became the very person causing them harm? How would you act if the very place meant to provide safety turned into a trap of fear and betrayal? The truth is far more shocking than most people realize, and families dealing with nursing home abuse cases know just how complicated and painful it can be to speak out. In January 2025, a Chicago man pleaded guilty to sexually assaulting a woman with severe intellectual disabilities at the Marklund Home Nursing Facility in Geneva, Illinois. Between August 1st and September 5th, 2023, he repeatedly abused the vulnerable resident who could not consent, resulting in her becoming pregnant and later giving birth. The case was only discovered during a medical evaluation in April 2024, highlighting the betrayal of trust and the profound harm inflicted on someone who relied entirely on her caregivers. Stories like this reveal the harsh truth behind many nursing home abuse cases families struggle to report. Here are 6 major hurdles that make reporting nursing home abuse far more complicated than most people realize. 1. The threat that keeps residents silent. Fear of retaliation from caregivers is a powerful deterrent. Residents rely on staff for essential needs such as food, medication, and personal care, making them vulnerable to threats or isolation if they speak out. Families often hesitate and feel worried that raising concerns could put their loved ones at greater risk. Many families eventually turn to a nursing home sexual abuse lawyer only after situations have escalated. 2. When voices are overlooked. Cognitive impairments and communication challenges prevent many residents from being heard. Complaints from individuals with Alzheimer's or dementia are often dismissed as confusion, leaving abuse undocumented and unchecked. Residents with cognitive difficulties may struggle to express themselves, creating a sense of helplessness. A 2018 audit of Chicago nursing homes found that 63% of abuse complaints from dementia patients were disregarded because staff assumed they were hallucinating or confused. These patterns appear repeatedly in nursing home abuse cases. 3. Not knowing what abuse looks like. A lack of awareness about abuse can delay intervention. Families may misinterpret bruises or behavioral changes as normal aging, while unclear reporting procedures leave them unsure where to start. Without guidance on how to report nursing home abuse, victims and their families can feel frustrated and powerless. Misunderstanding the signs allows abuse to continue unnoticed. 4. When nursing homes hide the truth. Nursing homes sometimes cover up abuse by falsifying records, intimidating staff, or obstructing investigations. Employees may fear retaliation for speaking up, while families feel powerless against an institution that can manipulate documentation. Inadequate investigations and weak enforcement create an environment where abuse continues unchecked. Families often reach out to a nursing home sexual abuse attorney to expose what facilities try to hide. 5. Legal and bureaucratic roadblocks. Even when families act, navigating the legal system can feel overwhelming. Complex procedures, slow investigations, and minimal penalties for facilities violating residents' rights make pursuing a nursing home abuse lawsuit seem futile. These bureaucratic hurdles discourage families who want justice and protection for their loved ones. 6. Cultural and language hurdles. Non-English speaking residents and those from minority communities face extra challenges. Language barriers prevent clear communication about abuse, and cultural norms may discourage questioning authority. These factors cause underreporting and continued mistreatment, leaving vulnerable residents unable to speak for themselves. Many nursing home abuse cases remain hidden because victims cannot communicate their suffering effectively. Reporting nursing home abuse is rarely simple. Each story, like the one at Marklund Home, shows the emotional and systemic obstacles preventing victims and families from being heard. Families seeking answers often reach out for guidance, support, and protection, hoping to ensure no one else suffers in silence. Grab your free case review via the link in description or pinned comment, or visit injurylawyerteam.com.